golf, lake and preserve. What a view! Beautiful pinnacle with upgrades galore. 3-bedroom/den, 3-bath and 3-car garage. Enjoy the view of the lake and the golf course on the third hole at Plantation Somerset. Enter through double doors to open floor plan with wood flooring throughout the great room, den and kitchen. Upgraded carpet in all bedrooms, crown molding, tray ceilings in master and great room, round corner walls and surround sound. Entertain in your gourmet kitchen. West/42 whitewood cabinets, quartz countertops, KitchenAid appliances, bar west wine cooler and reverse osmosis water system. Casual dining or convert den to formal dining for family dinners. Take the party outdoors. Open 0-corner sliders to a spacious screen West heated saltwater pool and enjoy the Florida weather. Large master suite and bath. Double sink, quartz countertops, enlarged tile glass recessed shower. West multiple shower heads. Very LG, master closet. West outlet. Enjoy laundry. West built-in cabinets and counter. Somerset features resort-style pool, amenity center, pickleball, tennis courts and fitness center. Formal and informal dining, a clubhouse, golf and social membership available close to beaches, RSW, JetBlue Park, dining and 75.